Alright, this is a quick video that explains few tips on why you will not be getting your commission on Adblue, because they are very sensitive. The first thing is a valid email address. You need to be creative when it comes to the email address, and then the zip code. Anytime you are creating a profile, it's supposed to show you your profile is being created. So when you are doing the task with Go Login, now what you are going to do is make sure your email is correct. Apart from that, you need a valid zip code. So let me show you how to get a valid zip code with random best randoms. How to know if the zip code they are valid or not. Okay, there is a zip code from Colorado, and then the zip code is 8. I'll be choosing this one. I'll be choosing this particular 80759. I'll be choosing it. So I'm going to copy the zip code like this. I will copy it. I want to advise us on something. Please, when you are doing this task, you are doing this thing, you can dedicate a particular day for to generate your zip code. For example, now all this thing here, if I were you, I can just select all, then copy them, then save them in my notepad. So after saving them, I will now pick the zip code. The zip code is the last digit number here. This 81623, 80759, 81130, 80734. This one. Those are the zip code. The zip code is what we want to validate now. So let me start with this second one, which is 80759. How do you know if the zip code is correct or not? You now open a new tab. And take note of this thing with the zip code. The zip code here is 80759. The name here is Yuma, Colorado. Can you see? Yuma, Colorado, Homestead. I must see something like that when I want to validate it. Now type it on Google. Look up zip code. Type it on Google. Then click on this one. Click on it. This particular one. Click on it. Just click on it. 807. I think the zip code we want to use it. 80759. I will now click on cities by zip code. Let me show you again because some may not get it. 80759. So I will now click on cities by zip code. I will now type 80759. Then click on find. Okay. Wow. Can you see? The name it brought here for me is Sindako. Let's go and see if there's anything like that with that zip code. Is there anything like Sindako with that zip code we generated the other time? 80759. Can you see? There's nothing like Sindako. That means this zip code is not valid. If you use it for your Adblue account, you just wasted your time. Let's go to the next one. 81623. Let's use this one. 81623. Let's use that one. Let's use 81623. We go back to our lookup zip code. 81623. 81623. Find. This one is Carbondale. Can you see this? Carbondale Co. Okay, that's one. This one is Eljebes Mabuko Redstone Co. We must see one of these names with that zip code. Let me show you. It's either Carbon, it's either Eljebel, it's either Mabu, it's either Redstone. Let's go and check if you have anything like that with a zip code. Is there anything like that? Is there anything like Carbondale? Yes, we have Carbondale Co. That means this zip code is valid. Can you see this Carbondale Co here? Let me show you with the other one. This one here too, it has Carbondale Co. Can you see? That means that zip code is valid. But when we try to use this one, it wasn't valid. So that's how to know when your zip code is valid. You can create a particular day, just generate all these zip code, then test them out. If they are valid, if I want to do something now, I can just use this carbon deco for one of my tasks and it will go. So that's how to get your commission. Assuming someone used this particular second one now, the person we now say that the commission is not showing. It won't reflect because the zip code you are choosing now is not correct. It's not correct. The zip code you must use must be a valid one. That means this zip code here. Let's do it again. 80759 80759 80759 80759. Let's see what it will bot. Yumako. YUMA-CO. Yumako. Is it? Yes. It's just give us the right one now. Why did it give us the right one? That's another reason why you need to be patient, because sometimes the server can give you an error. The first time it did not give us the right thing, now it's showing us the right thing. What I'm just trying to highlight here is that all the zip code you'll be using, verify them very well. The reason why I prefer this other one is because it even gave us extra options, extra 81623. Let me show you. 81623 gave us many options. 81623 gave us many options. Can you see? It gave us other options like Ojebelko, Mabuko. That means this one is even over valid. If there's anything like over valid, is super valid. Maybe I should use that in English. So that's how to test out what you are doing.